Let's create a new text object. Tab to edit. In object mode, R, X, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X-axis. Let's extrude. We need to convert this text to mesh, and add a shape key. Normally, we'd click the plus button to add a new shape key like this, but that won't be necessary in this project. I'll show you why. Let's add a ground plane and add collision physics. We need to add cloth physics for this one, and play the animation. If we go to the shape keys, we won't be able to do anything. That's because there's another way when we're working with a physics object. This key is not going to be used. I'll show you why. Let's go to the cloth modifier, and select apply as shape key like this. Now we have a new shape key called cloth, and we can use that shape key to animate our text mesh. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.